if you have bad credit and it's because you probably was an authorized user for other people, or you probably co-signed on some things. If you have bad credit, it is going to be hard for you to get a credit card. What I tell people is you want to try to fix your credit and then try to get credit cards. And there's some people out there where they just are authorized user on somebody else's credit card, and now they have bad credit just based off of that because they're using too much money on their credit cards. They have late payments on these credit cards now. So at that point, you are going to start having bad credit because you're an authorized user on their account. And when you guys have that problem, it's going to be hard for you to get your own credit cards. It's going to be hard for you guys to try to get more credit. So you want to be removed from those accounts and get them removed from your credit reports. Now, while you guys are in the stage, if you guys just have bad credit, you need to start building up your credit. Then I want you guys to um, apply for some of the credit cards that's good with bad credit. So if you guys go to my website, Rickita.com, you're going to see this little search button right here. You can search bad credit, and then you're going to see the best credit cards for bad credit. And I have a lot of credit cards that you guys can try to get. These are the credit cards that's in the building stage, because until you get them accounts off, there's no way you're going to really be able to get other credit cards. So you're going to want to be in the building stage and get you one of these credit cards here. And if you haven't went through the building stage, it's going to be a lengthy one sometimes, but just stick in there, especially if you co-sign on someone else's credit card. Now, if you guys go through the building stage and for some reason you get the account removed from your credit reports, then I do want you guys to go back at the top and I want you to search accounts like Discover, Navy Federal, because those credit cards can actually pre-qualify you. And you want to find a credit card that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, because those are they're going to basically tell you yes or no whether you can get the credit card without giving you that hard inquiry. And that hard inquiry is basically going to be dropping your credit score. So hopefully you guys will be able to get a credit card, and you are welcome.